So I thought I'll vlog today. Uh, yeah, so I was studying last night and I think I slept while reading a paper at 2 o'clock ish and 2:30, and then I woke up at 4 a.m. and then I studied a little. I know I have a very unhealthy lifestyle, and then I am supposed to technically wake up at 9, but it's already like, I've been up since 4 a.m. So I studied and then just like did some time pass, and then I am just gonna make some lunch now, like prep it so my mom can just like toss some vegetables and like just get done with the lunch. And just gonna like take a quick shower, like not a quick shower actually, I'm gonna wash my hair, so it's gonna be a long time. So today is not like a super hype day, it's like a very basic day. But I thought it'd be cool to like vlog it because it's a pretty interesting day for me, because it's just, I like basics, so I don't mind vlogging a basic day. So yeah. So I'm just gonna go and take a quick bath and come be right back. I just got done with bathing. It's I think 9:05. I only took like 20 minutes or so, but like I was like talking to my brother and all. So since I washed my hair, I'm just gonna apply some serum. So I'm trying this one. Usually I wear like the L'Oreal's it's the purple one. Just like wait, let me bring it. Yeah, so this is what I usually use. Yeah, but then this is over, as you can see. So I thought I'll just like give this one a try. I use either the L'Oreal one. I highly recommend. This is like such a good one. But apart from that, there's argan oil. I'm not a big fan of it because it's a little thick consistency wise. So I'm trying this one out. It's the Livon's for rough and dry hair, and I'm like, it makes my hair look really like nice and soft. So it does the work, and I think it's value for money, so I don't mind like trying this out. So I'm just gonna take like more than a pea size because I have like long hair comparatively, and I like more serum because I have frizzy hair and I don't take care of my hair at all. I am sweating because the fan's off because I'm recording, right? See, it instantly is such a shine. But once my hair's like dried down, you'll see it more. Yeah, I think it's better. I think I need more. It doesn't smell that bad, but it smells a little like, I don't know what does it smell like, but it doesn't smell like that bad either. Like you can do with it. If you're on a budget, I think it's a good buy. Yeah, I think that's it. And then I'll just like apply some moisturizer. Let me just go and wash my hands because I'm obsessed with washing my hands anyway. Hi, I'm back. So usually I moisturize like right after I'm out of the bathroom, but then today I was filming, so I thought that you guys should know. So this one is the one I use, but this is the one my doctors recommended. So I don't know, like I think you should have like a doormat and then ask them what you want. Yeah, I think that's about it. And then I use this one. It's by Health and Glow, and then it's watermelon. Every single time I wear this, Elsa's my dog, okay? So every single time I wear this, Elsa will come to like eat my lips or like at least like lick them because she thinks it's like watermelon. It's watermelon flavored. 1 second, wait. Can you see? You can't really tell. It's written here on the red part. It's watermelon flavored, so. And it smells so good. Tastes, no, but like smells really good. So I don't know if I'm gonna cook, though I told you all that I'll be making some food, but I have to complete this task assignment basically. I just have to make some notes, so I'll do that now. See you guys. Oh, quickly, I'm just gonna make some coffee for me. Usually I'm a chai person, but today I'm just like over chai. I don't want to have chai, so I'm just gonna make some coffee now. Do you wanna come? So I've just added some spoons of sugar, and then there's coffee, instant coffee, and I'm waiting for the milk to heat up. The platform is not clean, that's why I'm not like covering anything. I'm trying to record this with my left hand, it's a little difficult. I'm just gonna pour some milk now. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so I just got done with making my coffee, and then I know I have it in my not in my whiskey glass, in my dad's whiskey glass, which is weird, but then I don't know, I just like to have it in this sometimes. I don't know, it's weird. So I add a lot of sugar in my coffee because I can't have bitter coffee. How can people even, I mean, that's how you're supposed to have it, but I just can't. And I also do this one thing wherein I've recently started doing it because someone just like recommended it to me. I used to do it earlier, but then the bottle was never this big. I just fill it up in the morning or at night according to my sleep schedule, and then I just like keep drinking it and keep a track of how much water I have. I'm sweating because the fan's off. But yeah, so I mean, I filled it like a couple of hours ago only. It's not like, so I'm just gonna have some water. Now I'm just gonna go get my work done. I have that assignment to do. Let's do that. Do you also have these two sides? Like, one is where you're like all neat with your notes, and then you just like, you know, this is where I exactly started with my notes, but then I didn't ever like write anything because I was like, so this is like the assignment I have to do, and I took really pretty notes. So that's one side. And then later on, when I was supposed to like take like notes another time, this is what my notes look like. Now I have to make these fair and like write them properly. So we have a discussion about this today. Look at how this looks. I've also color coordinated. Did you guys see? So like if this is like the head point, then greens are like under it, then pinks are like the head points. And then, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna start making notes. See you. Oh, quick update. I told you all that I use color pens. So I actually have like this whole thing wherein I have these colorful pens that I use. It makes me want to study. No, actually, psychology is a subject that you would want to study anyway. But then these are the pens I use to color coordinate my topics or subtopics, whatever. It makes it really fun. So if you're like really like tired to study, you could just use some color pens and like get interested into something that's boring to you. It will seem appealing to you. Also, like, colors help you recall better. Some colors help you recall better. There's been researches regarding that. I'm boring you all, so I'll see you guys. So I got done with my notes. I'll just show you guys 1 second. These are much better than the earlier notes that I took. Yeah, I thought it'll take like long. Now I have a class to attend. We have 2 lectures of one subject, rehabilitation psychology. The professor is so cute. She's like really cute, and like she also like interacts in the class. So she asks us to read papers. So classes are always interesting. So I'm just gonna go attend the lectures, log in, and I'll see you guys in a while. So like my this setup, like vlogging setup, is basically like my class setup as well, because my laptop is giving me a tough time to film. So I just I just attend my lectures on the phone. But the class hasn't started, the professor's yet to come. I'll see you guys once I'm done with my lecture. Bye. My hair is so frizzy, seriously. Just got done with the lecture, and now in like 20 minutes, by 12 o'clock, I have a discussion with my group for that assignment that we're doing together, and I'm just gonna go grab something to eat. So I'm making some bread pizza with just the marinara that I made along with some cheese. Because I have no time to chop vegetables. So yeah. So I made this at home, marinara sauce, and that's the clip. I have to add cheese on top. this is how it looks so far, and now I'm just gonna put some butter on the pan and then make it crispy and eat. This is how it looks so far. It's not the prettiest but tastes amazing. I got done with my discussion at 2 o'clock. It is, I think, 2:30 by now. I am so tired. I already have a headache. But it went really well. It was really interesting, so that was nice. Now I'm just gonna warm up some food and eat. Mom made fried rice because I couldn't. And I could not even eat my bread pizza, so I'm just gonna eat that now along with my fried rice. I'll see you guys after lunch. No, actually I'm gonna just sleep after lunch or just like rest. My head is bursting. Although I have to read a paper or like figure out a couple of papers. But I'll do that like maybe in the evening or at night after 7 o'clock, after I'm done with my work. So, see you in a while. So, that's for lunch. I'm just gonna eat some fried rice and my remaining bread pizza. That's all. Hi, a quick update. It is 11:38 p.m. I did not vlog since 2:30 because I had lunch after 2:30 and then I had to take my dog Elsa to the vet. So I came back home at 4 o'clock. Then after 4 o'clock, I just like rested for a while, and then I had work from 5 to 7. So I teach a kid. So I had to teach her from 5 to 7. And then after 7, I think I slept after 7. I slept because I was so tired. I only got like 2 hours of sleep last night. So I slept. I did not even have dinner. I haven't had dinner till now. It's 11:38 now. But I don't know if I'm gonna eat something or not. Like I'll probably like grab something to eat. So far I've like finished probably like 2 of these bottles. 1 second. 2 of these, I think 2, I'm not sure, but it's still better than day 1 where I could barely finish 1 bottle and I was so bloated and I felt like I was irritated because I was drinking water, but maybe I was. But I'm on my periods and it's been horrible because I've been tired so much. Like I am so exhausted. Like after the discussion, I just wanted to like just sleep because my head was aching so much. So I couldn't do it because of my work from 5 to 7, but I did it after work. And also Elsa, so Elsa's my dog, right? So she was a dog we adopted, and she has a brother as well, right? So it's my younger brother's friend from whom we adopted her. So like the other dog, like who's actually Elsa's brother, is with them. So every single time we go to the vet, we go together. So like she meets Casper. Casper is his name, like. And then Elsa is like all over him and she wants to like lick him and like eat him, but like he just like growls at her and he just like barks at her because like he's very territorial like that. Elsa is very like chill. So that's about it. And now I'm not gonna vlog anymore. I'm just gonna not do anything. I'm just gonna like take some rest and not badger myself for cutting myself some slack. I've worked enough today. I'll possibly find some papers and do some work maybe for like 15-20 minutes. Let's see. If not, I'm just gonna watch Modern Family, which I've been doing lately, and it is so much fun. Like I don't know why did I not watch it till now, but I've been watching Modern Family and oh my god, it's like so funny and it's such a family show that you want to watch and it's always gonna make you happy, which is nice. So it's a feel good kind of a show. So I highly recommend it if you guys want to watch it. And I've been talking for like more than 3 minutes. I'm just gonna go and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye you guys, take care. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click on the little bell. Bye.